Hello, Kim.
Hello, Neil.
How are you? And what are you doing these days?
Good, thanks. I am working as a bartender in New South Wales.
I'm also interested in working in the hospitality industry, but I'm not sure how to get an NSW RSA competency card. Can you help me?
Of course. The first step is to complete an approved RSA course from a registered training organization like GTA. This will equip you with the necessary understanding and skills to serve alcohol responsibly. You can complete this course either online or in person.
How much does the course cost?
With Galaxy Training Australia, the online RSA NSW course will cost you $139, including $97 competency card fee.
Okay, I completed the course. What's next?
Great. You will be issued an interim certificate within 1 business day. With GTA, you will also receive a statement of attainment instantly after course completion. The interim certificate is valid for 90 days, and you can start working instantly.
What do I do with the interim certificate?
Take your interim certificate and 100 points of ID check to an NSW service center. You will need original identity documents for verification. After the identity check, have your photo taken and submit your application.
How long does it take to get the competency card?
After submitting your application, your competency card will be sent to you by mail within a period of 4 weeks. Please note that it is essential for you to personally submit your application as it cannot be done by someone else on your behalf. The card is valid for 5 years and will need to be renewed after this period.
Can I get a digital version of my card?
Yes, you can. You can obtain a digital competency card when you visit the Service NSW Center for an ID check. The digital version of the photo competency card makes it easier to carry, display, update and renew a license using a smartphone or tablet. If you have a digital competency card, you don't need to carry a photo card.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Remember to always serve alcohol responsibly and ensure the safety of your customers and the community. And don't forget to check out the NSW RSA course Galaxy Training Australia offers.